To compute the trend value in Excel, first you need to plot a time series graph. To do that, okay, you just click the variable that you want to plot, and then after that go to insert and then choose 2D lines. So this is the plot of the data. And then you can also amend the data so that it can be less fluctuates on the y-axis here. So you just double click the y-axis, okay, and then after that you just click axis and then choose the axis option where the minimum you change into 80. Okay, and then after that you click to any data values, and then after that you right click and then add the trend line. Okay, so you can see that there is a dash of trend line here, and then if you go to the trend option, so there are list of the trend line that you can plot, and then let's say we choose a linear trend line, and then let's say if we want to display the equation on chart, then we click here. So this is the equation of the linear model. Okay, so to compute the trend, so first we create a column named T. So where T is a sequence, okay, from 1 until the end of the observation. So you just type 1, 2 first, and then after that highlight these two and then put the cursor at the edge here and then double click. So it will create a sequence, okay, from 1 until the end of the observation. Okay, and then after that you can compute the trend, okay, by using this equation. So just put the equal sign, 0.2267, and then multiply by x. So x actually is the value of t here, and then plus 103.05. Okay, and then you can click the cell where you key in the formula and then put the cursor at the edge and double click. So this is the trend values for this data set.